My name is Michelle Newstetter, and I am a certified counselor. I am a registered psychotherapist, and I would really love to tell you a little bit more about the Calm and Quiet program that I offer here. See, I believe that mindfulness isn't just a thing that you practice for 20 minutes a day to fix a problem like sleep or anxiety. Although, it potentially can really help with that, but mindfulness is actually a whole way of living. Mindfulness has the power to transform our inner states, thoughts, and our other experiences at a really fundamental level. And that's what we're going to talk about in this mindfulness program, in this Calm and Quiet program, where we're going to talk about mindfulness. We're going to talk about meditation. We're going to incorporate some yoga strategies. It is a program that is designed to help you build a consistent mindfulness practice and to integrate mindfulness into your daily life. I know from experience how difficult it can be to make time to learn a new skill, to put that skill into practice. And yet there are so many proven benefits of mindfulness. Benefits for physical, mental, emotional health. It really has the power to transform your overall well-being. And see, the program that I offer here is different. It's different than a lot of the other programs because I am going to walk you through the science and the theory behind mindfulness. I just want you to really have a good grasp, a good understanding of what mindfulness is. And I'm also going to give you practical tools to help you to implement mindfulness into your everyday life. And so over the course of the program, each week it's different, it's unique. Every week has a theme of its own. It's going to incorporate elements of mindfulness, and it's going to give you enough space to really process, to practice that mindfulness in your everyday life. We'll be able to overcome some of those common challenges, the common challenges to building a mindfulness practice, things like our attention, being able to redirect our attention, the patience level that we have with our mindfulness, right? Because a lot of times we just feel like we get so distracted so quickly and we can't keep our mind on the practice of mindfulness. We do this in a small group setting, so it means plenty of personal attention. It means community. It means feeling like you've got some accountability partners with you. I'm really passionate about helping people to experience the profound benefits that mindfulness has to offer. And so if you have any questions at all, contact me and I would love to talk to you. I really hope to see you there. Oh, we run it on Thursday nights from 6 p.m. to 7:30. I like to give myself that extra half hour just in case I don't want to feel rushed. I really want to give you that opportunity to connect with the practices that we're doing that day and not to feel rushed. We do have limited space available. We want to keep those groups small. So if you are interested, I'd love to get you registered and I'm happy to chat with you more about it. All right, have yourself a wonderful day. Bye for now.
Are you finding it difficult to wind down? Like you're always on edge, irritable, just can't seem to slow that hamster on the wheel in your mind? In today's fast-paced, high expectation, always on, excessively busy world, we are just getting inundated with more emails, more notifications, more work, more busyness. Caught in the rat race on the wheel of speed, artificial urgency, and noise. Our minds are running all over the place, keeping us distracted, unable to focus on anything for more than a few moments, and leaves us feeling like life is happening to us. It's impacting sleep, appetite, and even our ability to connect with friends and family. We're losing our peace, our connectedness, the ability to slow down, reflect, and contemplate, and even losing ourselves in the process. It's time to re-honor yourself. It's time to reconnect with your innate nature, to learn that you can experience peace, even within the storms. Learn to dismiss those unhelpful thoughts, that desire to recoil in emotion, to shift away from the need to impress and regain control in a world that feels so out of control. Create your own competing system that allows you to just be, to be human, to contemplate in stillness, to flow within your world in quiet peace. At Calm and Quiet Restorations, we offer you just that. Learn the art of quieting the mind, restoring the body, and calming the soul. This ongoing program is for learning the skill, connecting with yourself, and equipping, inspiring, and empowering you to take it into your everyday world. Each class is standalone. Come when you can, don't when you can't. Register today at michellenewstettercounseling.as.me or click the link below.